And I'm going to show you guys how to get up off the floor, just in case, fingers crossed, you've ended up falling. Or just how do I get down to the floor to play with my grandkids or my kids or what have you, and then how do I get back up again? All right, so we're going to do it with and without an object to help. All right, so here we go. This is what we're going to do. So to get down on the ground, all right, I'm either going to use the chair or the floor, and I'm going to show you both, and then we're going to use the same thing to get back up again. So if I want to get down on the floor, if I've got a chair or a couch or something in front of me, I'm going to put my hands on that. And all I need to do is put one knee down, all right? So whichever knee doesn't hurt to kneel on, that's the knee that's going down, okay? Then I'm gonna bring the other knee down, and then I can sort of crawl around where I need to be, and then I can sort of sit however I need to get down, okay? I can play with the kids, I can do kind of whatever, all right? And then when I need to get back up again, if I still have this, all right, I'd sort of turn over, and say I'm over here, and I need to kind of sort of crawl over to it. I can get to here, and I can use my arms, or one hand or what have you, and basically what I need to do is I need to put one foot up, okay, and then I'm going to kind of push off of my arms and this one leg, and I need to lift up to put my other foot flat, okay, and then I can use my arms to push myself back to get my balance, and then I can sort of stand back up, okay. Now imagine that we don't have a chair. So to get down to the floor, all right, same exact thing, just nothing's high. Now we need to get down to the ground. So you kind of want to reach down for the ground, okay, and get here, and then you want to be able to put one knee down, whichever knee you need, and then you put the other knee down. Again, you can sort of, get in whatever position that you need to end up getting to. But once again, to get back up again, you want to get back to your hands and knees, all right? So once you're here, okay, again, we put one foot up, all right, and then you're going to push through your hands to basically stick your butt in the air, okay? And then you can kind of walk back to here, and then you can put yourself back up again, all right? Having your knees wider, your feet wider when you reach down allows you to not have to be quite so stretchy back here, because me doing this and getting down to the ground is much more tight and uncomfortable, and I'm much more balanced this way anyway. Okay, the reason I don't have you do any of this stuff, okay, is because that's actually incredibly challenging. You need a lot of strength to be able to stand up like this, whether you're pushing or not. It's also a huge balance component to this, okay? And so trying to stand up here, if you get a little bit off balance, well, you're gonna fall this way, this way, this way, okay? But going this way, you're nice and balanced. You're gonna have 4 points of stability here, okay? And as you go down, okay, 1 foot, butt up in the air, walk back, come up nice and slow. Okay, make sure the room doesn't spin, okay, and then kind of move on from there. So that's the easiest and safest way to get down and up off the ground.